Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ice cream in a Ziploc bag. First, combine 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in the smaller Ziploc bag. Seal it tightly, ensuring no air remains. This mixture forms the base of your delicious chocolate ice cream. Make sure all ingredients are well combined before moving to the next step. Now, let's prepare the ice bath. Fill your large Ziploc bag with approximately 3 cups of ice. Crucially, add 6 tablespoons of rock salt to the ice. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making it much colder and more effective for freezing your ice cream. Carefully place the sealed smaller bag with your chocolate mixture into this larger bag, ensuring it's fully surrounded by the ice and salt. With both bags sealed, it's time for the fun part: shaking. Shake the large bag vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the liquid chocolate mixture inside the smaller bag gradually transforming into creamy ice cream. It's important to keep shaking until it reaches your desired consistency. For comfort, consider wearing gloves or wrapping the bag in a towel to protect your hands from the intense cold. Once your ice cream reaches a firm, scoopable consistency, carefully remove the smaller bag from the larger one. Give it a quick rinse under cold water to remove any salt residue from the outside. Now, you can open the bag and scoop out your freshly made chocolate ice cream. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like sprinkles, chocolate syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.